Monterey Dunes Colony. Day after Labor Day. Should be outgoing tides. It was like super low. It wasn't negative, it was like 0.5 going to 4 or something. High tide is until like noonish, and it's 7:50. 7:50, damn, hella late. I'm only gonna fish for a couple hours. Check out this that mop root beer. It's Glisten Glow. This stuff in the light is amazing. And I tried to find some, and they don't sell it anymore. I found some on eBay, like came from China or some shit, but it's not the same. There's like a Reddit post about people willing to spend godly amounts of money for some stock if anybody had any, because it's so cool. I mean, look at how it does in the sunlight. I mean, jeez. And I've had great luck with this on perch. Fishing that, and then I'm fishing a Hadachi clouser that I made. All the birds chewing on sand crabs probably. All right, stretched out a little bit of line so you can start casting here. You gotta kind of unspool your line, and then you can kind of stretch it out, you know, because it's mono, so it gets all curled up. See how it's all curly? It still keeps curly, but it's a little better. Try that. So grab it, you pull, kind of warm it up, stretch it. This is stuff I did already, so it feels a little better. I let out usually till I can see my backing, maybe close to like 70 feet. You get out past your head, shooting head. And then you pull it into your basket like that. Keep your middle finger locked on it so it doesn't oh, I got a, oh, that's not a strike. What was that? Thought it was a strike. Pretty sure it was a piece of grass. And then you pull it back to your shooting head. Start again. Get past your shooting head. After a couple casts, be like one more, and release. That was kind of crap. And we got the old famous wind knot. The biggest thing is you don't want to pull. You want to just try to figure out. You pull it, and then you get even bigger knots. There we go. Kind of pull it, stretch it a little bit. So to see like how I'm throwing, if I'm throwing okay, I kind of just count the number of pulls, and I average around like 50 pulls is a good cast. It's roughly like 50 feet plus the shooting head, which is 30. So that's 80 feet technically if I'm pulling you know, 1 foot pulls, which is usually what I try to do. And then I know I'm kind of on my game for casting. All right, moved a little further over. Can't say, it's kind of looked like a hole in the beginning, but a lot of birds. Where the fish at? Damn, a lot of birds. Where's the fish? Oh, that was definitely a bite. Oh, that was definitely a bite. Damn. Definitely got a bite. Okay, feeling good now. I'm gonna pull something out right now. You'll see. Here, fishy, fishy. Gotta do the here, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Change up the tempo. Change up the tone. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. You know, you gotta try everything. Gotta try everything. I don't know, man. I got those 2 little bites earlier, and I haven't felt anything else. It's not looking good for the old Brian today. I'm gonna have to go home with a tail between my legs. Have to make up some lie about catching a big old striper. And it came off. Came off right at the end. Right when I had it. I mean, this thing was huge. I had it on the shore and pelican. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Looks like a little, or feels like a little perch, but shit, you know? I'll take it. Oh, you can see it, a little perch. Got him on the secondary. Oh, sorry, buddy. Probably getting fucking sanded. All right, so the fishy fishy worked. Okay. Oh shit! Sorry, buddy. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. There you go, little guy. Thank you for your fun. Thank you for my entertainment. Nice barred perch. We can go back in now. Fishy fishy worked. So if anybody's wondering, yes, the fishy fishy does work. look, there's a woman there watching. Got a beautiful woman watching me fish. Oh, you're my hero for fishing on your day off. Yep, somebody's got to do it. Somebody needs to be out here fishing for the people, for the working people on Labor Day, the day after Labor Day. Labor Day shouldn't be one day. It should be 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. That's what I'm trying to fight for. Smallest perch in the world just caught by me. That's got to be some kind of record, right? Oh, poor release, but we got him off. World record smallest perch caught by Brian. Yeah, I do what I can, you know. It's not easy. It's not easy catching the smallest fish in the world. It takes a lot of perseverance. Get out of here. See that seal? Fucking stealing my fish, you motherfucker. Just kidding. I love seals. Not. Better not eat my little fish I just threw back in there. Gotta wait, let him get big so I can catch him again, you know? Let him get big. Can't just be eating all the freaking perch. When we were in San Francisco yesterday, I didn't see one single perch get caught. I caught a jack smelt, and the only perch I saw was in a seal's mouth, right out in front of me. So nobody caught one, but I knew they were there because there was one in a freaking seal's mouth. But one rule I kind of recently listened to was that, you know, to come out here and to think you're gonna handle this surf and nothing's gonna go wrong is crazy. I mean, we're out here, Mother Nature, she's gonna do whatever the hell she wants, man. She is fucking king. She is top dog. And we're just here trying to have fun and not get chewed up, you know? You poke her tail and run away, but you ain't riding her, you know? And that's how you get disappointed, is if you think you're gonna ride her and you get bucked off. Is that too much of a weird analogy? I hope you understand what I'm saying. You know, if you come out here, oh, I can't cast, the fucking wind, oh, blah, blah, blah. You know what? Just wasn't good today. Try again tomorrow. Ah! As I get pounded by a wave. You know, I'm going for I got the record now, but I'm going for an even smaller perch so that nobody can touch my record. You know? This is the kind of guy I am, man. Oh, and there's a slip up. Second slip up of the day. Pretty brutal. Only because that was gonna be the creme de la creme of casts. I knew it. That was my striper cast right there. And I slipped. Through the power of editing, you're only gonna see my really good casts. I'm gonna make sure I don't put any of my sloppy miscasts on there. You know, every cast you're gonna be like, damn, that's crazy. He's casting like pretty far out every time, right where he wants it. It's crazy. Every time. You make me the happiest fisherman today. I get the award, happiest fisherman. September 3rd. Yeah. September 3rd, 2024, Brian Giles recognized as the happiest fisherman if he gets one more perch or a striper. He's not picky. He's not picky. Oh! Damn. I got a good bite right there. I almost thought I won the award. Alright, so we're almost back to our starting point here. It's right up there. So just kind of walking and casting where I feel like there's a lucky spot. Caught a couple fish, couple bites. So all in all, it hasn't been a worthless mission. You know, no skunky. That's what I'm happy about, no skunky. Not happy about all the sand crabs out here because they are getting in my Crocs and it is disgusting. And it gives me the chills and I have to take them out. Oh! Hand slipped on that one. You're not gonna see that. I'm gonna edit that one out. There we go. Got another little one. Another little guy. They're up pretty close, man. They're up pretty close. Having fun though. So yeah, got another one. So that makes me the award for, what did I say, happiest fisherman? I'd like to dedicate this one to all the men and women at work. Oh, ow! Fucker. I know, I gotta pay for it. You gotta pay for your pleasures. Jesus. Another one on the grub. The Mop root beer strikes again. You know? Alright, hold on, buddy. I'm gonna get you in there. Nice little perch, barred perch. They look beautiful right now. I don't know if it's just the sun or what, but hey, careful, careful, careful. Hey, ah, shit, man. I was trying to. My bad. Oh yeah, it's pulling out pretty good now. I think I'm done. It's our last cast here. That was perfect. And reel in. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see more, I'd be stoked if you did. Oh, holy shit, we caught one on the reel in. And it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I've never reeled in one, which is kind of funny. I've never reeled in one. That's pretty funny. I've never caught one on the reel in. I mean, it's a little guy, of course. But that's pretty cool. There we go. That's a great way to end it. So on the freaking root beer, man. They love the root beer. Who wouldn't love that? Thank you, little buddy. Thanks for ending this with me. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. Ended on the last cast. Here you go.